Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the Tumblr profile picture or Tumblr avatar to the circle shape in your Tumblr mobile application. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the profile picture or avatar to the square shape to the circle shape on your Tumblr application, on your Tumblr account. It's just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, you just need to click on the edit option. It's actually that this is the edit option. Click on this. After clicking on this edit option, you just need to click on the pencil symbol on the profile picture or avatar. Click on this. Now after you have a 3 to 4 option on the bottom here, you have to find the final option called shape. Here you just need to click on the circle option. So you can see the avatar has been changed to a circle shape. Then you just need to click on the tick symbol on the top. After clicking the tick symbol on the top, you just click on the save option. After clicking the save option, your avatar has been changed to the circle shape. This is how you just change the circle shape for your avatar on your Tumblr application or your Tumblr account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.